Hello, Nicola. Thank you for joining us. You are General Sales Manager at vGroup International and Comm-Ply.
Yeah.
And today we're talking about an exciting new product launch that you have, hence us sitting on the edge of this van.
Absolutely.
What is the product that's behind us?
Okay, so the product that is fitted in this van is obviously our new Hero lining. Hero has been brought to the market to enter a space that reaches an affordable, lightweight, and also a recyclable entry for the commercial market. Hero actually offers a screwless fixing, which is a brand new innovation, as we all know. Lining historically has always required a screw type fitment.
And that's what we see. That's what we see here. Okay.
With these cup holes. And also, as you can see, this looks like a completely perfect finish, almost like an OEM standard. So another fantastic product.
It does look like there isn't a secondary product here. It looks like this is how the van has been produced from the factory. Great.
It looks like the skim.
What's so important about having lining in the back of a van?
So it's really important to obviously protect the asset and make sure that at the end of its life, it has the highest residual value possible. Lining vehicles obviously allows this to happen. And naturally, every single van isn't necessarily always used for a soft cuddly toy. These are working tools and they obviously go through some hardship every now and again. So it's really important to protect the interior of the cabs on these vehicles.
Okay, and recyclability has been mentioned.
Yes.
Sustainability is a huge buzzword.
Absolutely.
This is recyclable, you said?
It is, yes.
Okay, what's the recycling process?
So the recycling process, the full kit can be removed, ground back down into a pellet solution, and it will go back into the machinery and be reproduced into another kit.
Okay, and who manufactures and install these kits?
So we manufacture them ourselves through our Comm-Ply sites. We've got 6 UK nationwide sites.
Okay, and installation?
Exactly the same. So our fitment team radiate out of our 6 depots covering the entire UK.
And if I'm a fleet or a leasing manager, how would I go about buying these kits?
Okay, so if you wanted to find out more, we would suggest that you get in touch with our sales team. So you can either speak to myself, Oliver Montgomery, head of vGroup Van, or Mark Burley, UK National Fleet sales manager for Comm-Ply.
Excellent, great. Thank you, Nicola.
Thank you, Arno.
We'll step away from our van.
Yeah.